Hello students, now our topic is going on to determine the coefficient of viscosity. Our aim is going on to determine the coefficient of viscosity. Viscosity of given viscous liquid. So in previous videos I have explained about its basic concept and about the nature, about the definition of the viscosity, coefficient of viscosity, and we have derived about the terminal velocity. The terminal velocity, so now we have to find out the coefficient of viscosity. Means coefficient of viscosity divided by the eta, and eta is equal to 2 by 9. Eta is equal to 2 upon 9 rho minus sigma upon V. R square upon V, 2 upon 9. R square upon V into G. Okay. This is, so we have to find out the, we can find the value of the rho from the table, and sigma also. This is the, rho is the density of steel and sigma is the density of liquid. So you can note down the value of the rho means density of steel because our ball is because our ball is, this is the steel, so we have to find the density of steel is equal to 7.6 gram 7.6 gram per centimeter cube. This is the density of steel and this is the value of the rho also, and the density of liquid sigma is equal to 1.26 gram per centimeter cube. So you can put the value of the rho and sigma in the place of the this, and we have to find out the radius of the ball. And in the previous video I have told you the radius, diameter of the ball is equal to diameter of ball equal to, if you have seen the previous video, I have told you the diameter of the ball. This is the ball. Diameter of the ball is equal to 6.35 centimeter, and we can change into this, and radius of the ball. Radius of ball equal to, you can divide by 2, and that is 3.175. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 15, 2 5s are 10 centimeter. Millimeter, sorry. This is the millimeter and this is millimeter, and you can change it to centimeter, that is 0.3175 centimeter, and you can note down here 3 point and 0.32 कर सकते हैं. You can note down 0.32 centimeter. Okay, this is the radius of the ball. Now we have to find out the terminal velocity, and terminal velocity you are seeing in your book. You are seeing in your book. Yeah, I am showing you. I think you have noted it. Density, and you can note down here radius of ball equal to 0.32 centimeter. You have noted it. So now, how will you find out the terminal velocity B? How will you find out the terminal velocity B? And terminal velocity B कैसे find out करेंगे? So I am telling you, suppose that this is a glass jar and we have filled up with viscous liquid. And we will mark 2 points here according to your book. You will mark 2 points, 3 points. Suppose that यहाँ से count करेंगे यहाँ पर आने में, और same distance. There's 3 points A, B, and C. When we put a ball from it on the surface of it, and then we count from this point, we will on the stopwatch. We will count from this point, and then we count from A to B. The time taken to reaches from A to B, A से B तक जाना कितना है? एक कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी से ये नीचे की ओर जाएगी, तो A से B में कितना टाइम टेकन हुआ, B to C में कितना टाइम टेकन हुआ. Then we have to suppose that अगर so we have to find out T is equal to AB plus BC upon 2. तो जो भी वैल्यू यहाँ पर आएगी उस, और जो भी दोनों को ऐड करके 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. Suppose that if the reaches from A to B is 1 second and B to C reaches from 1 second in 1 second, so T is equal to 1 plus 1 upon 2, that is 2 upon 2 is equal to 1 second. So that is the time taken, and we have to find out the distance. The distance between them. Distance, suppose that distance is d, so its terminal velocity v is equal to distance upon time, and distance is equal to, suppose that जो भी distance है उसको हम divide कर सकते हैं. So first we will make a distance. So I have a viscous liquid, and you are seeing here, and this the distance between this to this I have measured the distance. From this to this is 32 centimeter. It is 32 centimeter. So now suppose that D is equal to 32 centimeter and T is equal to 1 second. So 32 centimeter per second is the terminal velocity. Now how will you find out its? एक scale है scale. Now how will you find its turn velocity? Now we are seeing. Yes. You are seeing here. This is rectangular. I filled with viscous coordinate and I measure.
ऊपर कर देगा थोड़ा.
नहीं ठीक है. It's 32 सेंटीमीटर. थोड़ा सा करें.
हाँ तो ठीक है.
Okay. So you are seeing that I put the ball on it and stop clock. So and I have a stopwatch. I have a stopwatch, and if we press the stopwatch, then it moves and again it. So अब इसमें देखेंगे टाइम टेकन कितना लगा. जैसे इसको ड्रॉप करेंगे it has taken 1 second to reach 32 centimeter. It has taken 1 second. 1 second इसमें लिया. I again it is taken 1 second. 1 second 2 के बीच 1 और 32 के बीच में it means 1 second ले आइए. And again I have find out again and again. Again and again, just taken 1 second to reach 32 सेंटीमीटर. 32 सेंटीमीटर ड्रॉ करने में 1 सेकंड लग रहा है इसमें. ठीक है. सो इट मीन्स कि 32 सेकंड करोगे 1 सेकंड. सो नाउ Now you are seeing that d is equal to 32. D is equal to 32 and time t is equal to 1. So 32 upon 1 equal to 32 centimeter per second. So now we calculate them and we will put the value of it. So we already know the formula. Eta is equal to 2 upon 9 eta is equal to 2 upon 9 r square upon v into rho minus sigma into g. So 2 upon 9, the value of the r is 3.175 and you can change into this. So 0.32 centimeter, 0.32 centimeter of square into rho is equal to 7.6 minus sigma 1.26 into g 9.8 in it, you can change into centimeter per second square. So 980 centimeter per centimeter square upon terminal velocity 32 centimeter per second. So you can change in it. So 2 upon 9 into 0.32 into 0.32 into 1.26. तो इसको चेंज करेंगे. So if we change it, we minus, then we will find out the 6.34 multiplied by 980 into 32. If we divide it, तो अगर हम इसको माइनस करते हैं तो यहाँ डबल जीरो बना देते हैं. तो 32 से ये कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, 100 हो जाएगा. And now we will calculate it. We will calculate the it. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 0.64 multiplied by 6.34 multiplied by 980. 980 को 0 से 0 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा तो 98 हो जाएगा upon 90. So now we can change it. We can calculate 0.64. We can calculate 0.64 multiplied by 6.3 multiplied by 98. So 395 395.136 यानी कि 136 divided by 90. And now eta is equal to 395. 395 divided by 90. तो 4.390 ये यहाँ पर आपका सेंटीमीटर और सेकंड्स में है, तो आप न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर के यहाँ पर हम सीरियस सिस्टम में इसको नोट करेंगे. एंड फाइनली आफ्टर सीरियस यूनिट इन सीरियस यूनिट, ओके, सेंटीग्राम, दैट इज द सीरियस यूनिट, सेंटीमीटर ग्राम सेकंड्स. तो CGS unit. So this is the final value of it, and you can calculate yourself, and that is a final value. Okay, students. So now this is the final reading of this liquid, and you can solve yourself, and finally after you will see, you can do this experiment yourself in your lab, and you will come in the lab. Okay, students. So now this is the final answer. So you will note down your first you will write your aim, then apparatus requirement, observations. You can note down the observations. Least count of the stopwatch is equal to 0.5 seconds. 0 the nil. Least count of the radius of the jar 1 mm, and least count of the screw gauge is 0.01 millimeter. So you can note down density of the steel. I have already noted. You have already noted it, and density of the liquid also you have noted it, and the temperature of the liquid is 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, so you can change. Finally, you will note down the readings. Now you will note the readings. So now measurement of terminal velocity. Terminal velocity. So you will note it. You will note the serial number. This is serial number. Time taken. Time taken by the steel ball. Mean time table, mean time taken, terminal velocity, mean time taken, terminal velocity. So now, time taken by the steel body, time taken by steel body, steel ball, AB and BC. AB and BC T is equal to mean value. T is equal to AB plus BC upon 2. So let's see number 1, 2, 3. Time taken AB 32. That is 32. Time taken is 1 second. Sorry, 1 seconds and 1 seconds. That is T is equal to 1 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 1 seconds. And terminal velocity and 1 second, 1 second. It also 1 seconds. 1 second, 1 seconds and 1 seconds. And terminal velocity of the ball. Terminal velocity of ball equal to ds equal to स्पीड इक्वल डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम होता है v इज इक्वल टू s बाई t. v इज इक्वल टू s अपॉन t. here is s, here is t is equal to s is equal to 32. so 32 upon 1 equal to 32 centimeter per second. So again you can note down 32 centimeter per second and 32 centimeter per second. So this is a reading column. You can note it this reading in your book. Okay, जो आपका 32 आया है, जो हमने वैल्यू निकाली थी. So you can find out the mean value. Finally you will find out the mean value. The mean value v is equal to 32 centimeter per second. So you can तो जो हम लोग पुट किया था वैल्यू यही पुट किया था. So you will note down. This is the final.